Hi guys, I'm here with Jonathan from UBS, and I came to juice with some of their employees, and it's been an amazing experience, but I'll let Jonathan introduce himself.
Jonathan Buchelman.
Cool.
Manage money for a living. We have a staff in here and we're all trying to be healthier. And so what our goal is to be stronger at work, but also to be stronger personally.
Yes.
And this is a play to help for that. So at the end of the day, you can't be good at work unless you're good at home.
Exactly.
And healthiness is part of that, right?
Yes.
Mental health, physical
clarity,
health, and making things easier on yourself.
and more energy.
More energy. Let's do this.
Cheers. Name another ingredient.
Cucumber.
He said cucumber.
Ginger.
Nope, not on this one.
Carrot.
Kale.
No, you're right. Ginger. I'm like, wait a minute. Yeah, she's right.
Nels, you're allowed to talk.
All right.
Tell him you have to tell me he can talk.
Yeah, Nell, you gotta do this one. All right, another one.
Celery.
Apple. Yes.
Nels just did one.
You got it. Celery. And one more, which is an herb. It's really good for your immune system, inflammation. Turmeric. Well, you guys really do this. All right, yeah, there you go. All right. Now you guys can take this. So this shot is got, celery, apple. Yeah, shake it. This is literally like the best thing you could do for your immune system. It's got all the antioxidants, it's got anti-inflammatory agents that are really good for your immune system, your gut, your digestive system, and I added honey. Shot! Sure.
Hey, more. There's still some in there.
Not that bad. It's not that bad. It's a little citrus because of the lemon.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, that's really good.
Tell everyone to do at least one shot a day in the morning. It's literally the best thing for your immune system. We went to Cabo, no, not Cabo, that was another trip, Cancun, and when we went with the girls for spring break, and the last day that we did the tour, the guide that we had, he had I thought he had COVID. Seriously, I thought he had COVID. And I got home and I'm like, oh, we're all gonna get sick. We're all gonna it's gonna be a disaster. None of us got sick. And it's because of that. Every morning you have that. It's amazing what it does. So do you blend or juice?
Blend.
Okay, so there's a difference. When you're blending, the heat of the blade kills the nutrients. So blending is good for smoothies.
Yeah.
It's literally, you could literally do more smoothies and it's not gonna do anything. But when you're juicing, you need a juicer because when you're masticating it, the cold press juicer doesn't kill the nutrients. It actually it does strip the fiber. So you do get insoluble fiber, but the pulp you can keep, which is a soluble fiber, which is really good for your gut. And you can actually add it into smoothies. I have pancake recipes, I do muffins, I do all kinds of stuff with the pulp. You could blend, but if you really want to get the nutrients live, which is kind of what you want, those nutrients, you need to juice. So you can masticate this. And then for smoothies or for blending, you can add avocado, bananas, things that you can't add here. Like berries, I typically don't add berries here. For your body, for your digestive system, for your immune system, for your skin. So I call it my hydrating, skin juice recipe. I love that one. It's called the beauty juice. I think spinach, I typically add spinach and kale, but I didn't bring any kale today, to all my juices just because I love kale, and kale has magnesium, vitamin C, K. It's super good for you.
So what do you do when you travel?
That's a great question.
You just go to the store and buy it from a place that juices for you?
Yeah. So that's another thing. So I try not to. I mean, if you don't have any other option, obviously go to anywhere you can get a cold pressed juice. But always try to see if it's fresh, because the thing with it is that most people, like Whole Foods or stores that carry juicers, cold pressed juicers, they don't tell you how long it's been in the shelf, and then the nutrients die.
And it's got to be way more than 2 days.
Not only that, and after 3 days, this becomes more sugar. Then you're getting more sugar into your body, as opposed to fresh. It's all like fresh. You're getting the nutrients, everything right then and there.
So 16 to 24 ounces. More than that is.
No, you can have 32 ounces. It's up to you.
That's a lot.
Yeah, but I mean, honestly, 16 to 24 in the morning is more than enough.
And do you need to drink it within a certain amount of hours of waking up, or is it more of just in the morning?
In the morning, I highly recommend it before you drink coffee. You know what I mean? Just because you want to hydrate your body. Yeah, you want to hydrate your body. And it just really does kick in, and then have coffee later. That's and guess what? Wait a minute, hold on. It will cut your caffeine. I mean, this is gonna cut your cravings for caffeine. All right, guys, I'm here with UBS, and I want to know from them if they like juicing and how did they like it. How did you guys like it?
We
Love it. It's good.
Will you juice again?
100%.
We will.
Do you recommend companies juicing?
Yes, every day.
Yes.
So if you like, subscribe to my channel.